Safety gates are a great way to keep children in safe and supervised areas. Begin by laying out all the parts. Next, measure the opening that you are going to be installing the safety gate in. If the opening is up to 32 inches or 82 centimeters, then the safety gate is ready to be installed without any additional extension pieces. If the opening is between 32 to 35 inches, which is 82 to 88.9 centimeters, then you will need to add one additional extension piece. If the opening is between 35 to 38 inches or 88.9 to 96.5 centimeters, then you will need to add two additional extension pieces. To add an extension piece, all you need to do is remove the bottom plug from the side that you are trying to add the extension piece to. This will allow you to slide the extension piece into place. Extension pieces come in 7 centimeters, 14 centimeters, or 28 centimeter sizes. Next, insert the 4 pressure bumpers into each corner. Peel both sides of the adhesive backing stickers from the pressure bumper covers and place them on the bumpers. This will help to protect the wall from damage. Then line up the safety gate and press the bumpers into the wall. This will stick the bumper covers to the wall in the correct position. Repeat this step for each of the remaining 3 bumpers. Tighten the pressure bumpers by turning the washer to sit tightly against the safety gate. Use the spanner included to further tighten the screws. Repeat this step for each of the remaining 3 bumpers. Be sure to tighten the pressure bumpers so that they are firmly in place so the gate can be opened and closed. For more information and all things home safety, check out Safekids Aotearoa.